Hello, nice to be here with you. I'm going to jump right in, and I hope you get a lot of wisdom from my books and my book. I have one book, 108 Eternal Life Guidance, and it's written by me, Sana Ishak, and I look forward to sharing my wisdom with you. The messages I got from my higher self, which I um, analyzed and gave my feedback on the messages and um yeah, let's start. Okay, can you say to yourself a negative reaction, no more? The school taught fight or flight response, no more. The hurtful judgments often provoked by reactions, no more. It takes courage to confront your brain and your academic teachings. For example, an annoyance reaction when tired makes one more easily exhausted and tired. Saying no to the state of exhaustion is a better response than to excuse its impact. Why? Because you are what you claim. If you say you are no longer lazy, it provokes a desire to take action and make a change in your life, a positive change. When you comply with fatigue, you open the door for its impact. Next topic. It is important to bring positive energy while you are doing important work on the computer. If I'm not feeling positive and free of hurtful judgments, it is if I'm not feeling that way, it's a better idea to do other things until positive energy returns. Like you're angry at the teacher, why did she have to give me this? He have to give me this assignment. That's not going to help you get a good grade, and it provokes negative energies. The energy of a saint is not preferably positive, rather 100% positive frequency to make sure that an impact on others' lives is made because we're healers. We're healers. Saints are healers. For example, while saints have different purposes, some are healers, some have other purposes. For example, people who insult couples because they are fearing being lonely attract hurt in their own or current or future romance. This can go down to their daily encounters. This is where one should ask themselves, am I holy? Holiness entails such things as being spiritual, judgment cautious, able to let go, and more details I express and other saints express. You, and you will encounter other saints and they will express such things and wise wisdom. Meditation and awareness is what you should be living if you see my videos. Remember, nothing is random. Meditation is a heaven. I, as a saint, have been told to live in it often. Test it out. Think of a situation, majority of the time, it is headed towards hurts. Like, almost all thoughts oft provoke negative outcomes, and being hurtful helps no one. It rather drains the positivity you cautiously built. No one should be given access to your aware mind. In other words, I don't think as much as many people I would encounter. Letting go is my delicacy and peace of mind. I hope you're getting a lot from this. The aim is to make you more aware. My videos. That's that involves letting go of a lot of poor teachings that humans are assigned in the world. To reach heaven, you have to let go of things, and that's not easy for a lot of people. I couldn't believe some of the things I had to let go, but now I'm free, and I'm getting more and more free, and I'm getting more and more headed more and more towards realizing my dreams. So that's you don't see it, but it's there. The impact is there. Some see it, but you get what I mean, huh? Okay, so nice being here with you. Have a nice day. Take a nice cafe, and go to a nice cafe and take a nice coffee and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.